लड़कों की उंगली पे नाचे है ज़माना ओ लड़कों की उंगली पे नाचे है ज़माना सिंपल ये फंडा है कुड़ियों को बताना
लड़कों को लगता है इसी जीत जाना इस बार उनको हरा के है दिखाना बड़ी बड़ी हाके हैं यूं ही हवा फाके हैं जेबें भरी खाली है अकलें मुनियानु ठगले ठगले मुनियानु ठगले ठगले मुनियानु ठगले 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 ठगले
But let's say, by some miracle, a guy actually does get in. He either gets shoved to the back row or made to stand there holding props like a decorative statue. Maybe that's why most guys don't even try. Self-respect भी कोई चीज होती है. And speaking of chaos, let's talk about dance styles. Oh wait, what styles? Innovation is banned here.
They are so lazy that they even used AI for this voiceover.
Yet, for all their chaos, there's something about them that makes people stay. Maybe it's the energy, maybe it's the friendships, or maybe it's just the fact that no one else throws after parties like they do. The iconic transitions. While other dance clubs experiment with creative formations, themes, and seamless movements, our club, simple and efficient, one person enters center stage, Everyone else moves to the sides. But no worries, because they do take competitions seriously. Especially Chaos, the one event where they show up every year with big dreams and leave with their traditional third last position. The consistency is truly inspiring. One thing you can always count on with this club, ask them, how was the weekend? And you'll get a 5-season Netflix series full of drama and unexpected plot twists. But through all their madness, somehow, when they are on stage, they make it work. You see, they don't perform for trophies, they perform because Dil Na Diya To Kya Kiya? Even if the judges don't see the magic, they convince themselves they do. And so, despite all the roasts, all the lost competitions, and all the questionable moves, the truth is, they own their madness. They know they aren't the best, but that has never stopped them from having the most fun. And with that, the madness, the roasts, and the performances come to an end. But hey, this is just another hymn for the weekend. So sit back, enjoy, and remember, the dance club might not win awards, but they'll always win hearts.
Just from above, I feel your coursing through my blood. Life is a drink, your love's about to make the stars come.